Okay guys, today I'm going to show you something insane, how to create a complete video using just one line of text inside Canva Magic Studio. This tool takes your idea and automatically generates visuals, a script, and even a voiceover. It's perfect if you're a YouTuber, freelancer, or short on time. Alright, I'm on my screen now, Buri, heading into Magic Studio, clicking Magic Animate, and I'll type, "Make a short video with 5 smart ways to invest money in 2025. Alright, hitting generate, let's give it a sec, and boom, look at this right, it built an entire animated video with scenes, subtitles, and background music. Alright, hitting generate, let's give it a sec, and boom, look at this town, it built an entire animated video with scene. You can preview the scenes here, change text, adjust visuals, or even swap the voice to match your tone. This just made my life so much easier. If you're a content creator, you have to try Canva Magic Studio. If you're camera shy or just short on time, Canva's AI voiceovers are a total lifesaver. And yes, they sound super real. Let's go into Magic Studio. I'm selecting a video, then clicking on Voiceover. Now check this out. You've got different styles like coach, calm, confident, and even different languages. Let me pick coach in English Frau. It's high energy and sounds great for YouTube. I'll paste my script and let's preview. This sounds like an actual creator. I didn't record anything myself, Canva did it all. Pro tip: match your voice style with your audience. For tutorials, coach works best. Let's say you have a photo, but it's kind of boring or needs fixing. Let me show you how to transform it in 30 seconds with Canva AI. So I'm uploading this photo here, and now I'll click on it and hit Magic Edit. I'll type, "Make background neon blue and add sparkles around the person," and hit Generate. Whoa! Did you see that? It completely changed the vibe of the photo and made it look so cool with just one prompt. You can move things around, resize elements, or even use Magic Expand to widen the background if needed. Seriously, photo editing has never been this simple. Canva Magic is pure magic, no joke.